in this video you will learn MS Excel shortcut keys. Guys, if you are preparing for any competitive exams and interviews, so this video is most important for you. Let's start. Shortcut keys and their usage. First is Control plus A. Select all the content of worksheet. Control plus B. Bold highlighted selection. Control plus C. Copy selected text. Control plus D. Duplicate or fill down. Control plus F. Open, find and replace option. Control plus G. Go to specified cell. Control plus H. Replace. Control plus I. Italic. Control plus K. Insert link. Control plus tab. Move between two or more open Excel files. Control plus O. Open a workbook. Control plus N. Create a new workbook. Control plus P. Display the print dialog box. Control plus S. Save the workbook. Control plus W. Close a workbook. Control plus F4. Close the program. Control plus F6. Switch between one workbook to another. Control plus F9. Minimize workbook. Control plus F10. Maximize workbook. Control plus arrow key. Move next section of the text. Control plus space. Select entire column. Shift plus space. Select entire row. Control plus page up to move to the previous shift. Control plus insert row or column. Control minus delete row or column. Control plus home. Move to cell A1. Control plus end. Move to last cell with content on worksheet. Control plus apostrophe. Insert the value of above cell. Control plus semicolon. Enter the current date. Control plus shift plus semicolon. Enter the current time. Control plus shift plus L. Filter. Control plus O. Hide the selected column. Control plus shift plus close bracket. Unhide any hidden column. Control plus 1. Open the format cell window. Control plus 5. Strike through. Shift plus F11. Insert new worksheet. Shift plus F2. Insert comment. Shift plus F3. Open the Excel formula window. Shift plus F5. Search box. F1. Help. F2. Edit the selected cell. F4. Repeat last action. F5. Go to specified cell. F7. Spell check selected text. F11. Create chart from selected data. F12. Save as. ESC. Cancel a cell entry. Alt plus auto sum. Alt plus enter. Wrap text. Alt plus F1. Create chart. Alt plus F4. Close the program. Alt plus F8. Display the macro. Control plus shift plus exclamation to format number in comma format. Control plus shift plus dollar to format number in currency format. Control plus shift plus hash to format number in date format. Control plus shift plus percentage to format number in percentage format. Control plus shift plus @ to format number in time format. Control plus right arrow. Move to the next section of text. Alt plus equal to. Auto sum. Alt plus enter. Enter new line. Alt plus F11. Open VB editor. Alt plus D plus L. Data validation. Alt plus T plus P. Open pivot table wizard. Alt plus A plus M. Remove duplicate. Alt plus A plus E. Text to columns wizard.
Guys, if you liked this video, then please like, comment and share this video as much as possible. If you are new on this channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.